Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan Flick. I am the engineer primarily for the V-Box product line here at Advanced RV. This particular build was very interesting because they wanted a rear deck and a rear entry, and we had to upgrade the chassis to a 4500 so we could have some extra capacity. So that was the big, really unique features that set this van apart from some of the other stuff that we've done. The customers wanted a deck to be able to pull up to an open space, put the deck down and relax. The deck had to be easy to deploy. It has to be strong enough to hold, 8 to 10 people, plus gear. And it has to be weather resistant. So a lot of things going on, and then it has to look aesthetically pleasing. So there's many things with the deck that we had to work out, and it has to not put a load onto the box. The load had to be transmitted into the frame of the truck. Our deck folds up to the back of the truck. It's got spring tensioned hinges that allow it to come down easily. It's fastened to the frame of the Mercedes. The load is transferred into the frame of the truck. It's not hanging off the box. And it's easy to deploy. These are toggle clips right here, but if you want to put a padlock so you could have safety, wouldn't have to worry about parking this in a parking lot and someone trying to deploy your deck. So that's one of the reasons why we went with the lock style. This particular purpose is to keep this, if you can keep this latched, it'll keep the deck from falling down, just in case you don't want to have these latched. You just want it up. We have dual locks and then a rubber bumper, so it actually compresses the bumper a little bit, keeps it all nice and tight. We've got our rear entry door, which is a first for Advanced RV, but this gives you access to the rear of the coach. This is the customer's bike, and well, what I'm going to show you here is the bikes have a mounting rack that allows the bike to be stood up, and if you remove the front wheel, this bike will fit right into the space behind the bed, both on the left and right hand sides, right behind the beds. So this can be accessed very easily by the back door. I walked in here right now, and I just have to say Advanced RV craftsmanship. We've got a hardwood countertop. It's just beautiful. It's gorgeous, right? So, this gives you an idea at the level of custom that we could provide our customers. And so, I just walked in here and I was like, well, this is so pretty. Yeah. But this van's got lots of nice features, and it's got stainless steel pull-out Vitrifrigo refrigerator and freezer, stack unit. We've got a coffee maker pull-out section right here. Okay. We've got a forward bathroom. And it's one of our signature bathrooms. We've got the teak floor. We got a little bit of stone in here for our countertop. We got a mirror, we got a medicine cabinet. And this one in particular has a pull-out shower wand, and this was something the customer had chosen and was custom mounted for them. And this is adjustable. It moves up and down. So really nice feature there. We've got matching faucets and color coordinated stuff there. This has the 50 gallons of black and gray tanks. It's got a 50-gallon freshwater tank. So we've got our standard tank sizes here, and they're in our standard locations, but it lends itself well to the way that we configure the V-Boxes. And we've got a really nice fold-out feature here. So get a little extra counter space, if you just need a little bit extra, if you want to put some extra dishes on there. And moving into the back here, this coach has dual articulating beds, and so a really cool feature. And the ability for these twin beds to be turned into a full-size bed. So what we've got down here is a pull-out bar, and I've got another pull-out bar here. And these swing out into then they latch into place. And then these cushions actually come out, and then they go into this space here. So you have actually an extra portion for your bed here. So I'm just going to step back out of the way. Yeah. So this was a feature that the customer really wanted us to include in this particular. Yep, and it's extremely strong. So those designs, the bars that run across, that's all made out of aluminum tubing, and it's fastened into the 3/4 plywood. You can see that it's built to be slept on and not have to worry. There we go. Yeah, now you're ready for relaxation.
Nice.
The deck is actually adjustable, and so if you're in uneven terrain, you're parked against a ravine, it's very easy to pull out your adjustable foot leveling crank, and you can go ahead and crank this, and you can see that the deck's coming up, and you know, you can get it to a place where it's comfortable, where you'd like to have it so it's level. We've got several inches of extra travel built into these jacks, so it can allow for uneven terrain. So a lot of hard work from our whole team. The fabrication guys really pulled it off with this one. We found these really awesome hinges to spring assist the deck when it comes down. But one thing we don't have on this deck is any cables. This is a cable-free design, and that was of utmost importance because we didn't want to transfer load back to the B-box, the box itself. We wanted to keep the load transmitted into the frame of the truck. So, you know, just from an engineering standpoint and a longevity and a durability standpoint, we really went to the extra mile to make sure that we were doing the best we could.